Hi everyone, welcome to my art room. My name's Carol and my YouTube channel is called Carol's Art Room. In today's video I'm going to do a dip. I know a lot of people seem to like those little dips that I do. So I'm going to use maybe two, see how it turns out on black. I'm just going to use a little 4x4 tile just to try it on black. And with some yellow and violets. All right, come and join me and let's see how it turns out. Hi everybody. I'm getting ready. I'm gonna do my dip. So what I've done, I'm gonna do it on a 4x4 tile. So I've drawn out the square for the tile. White paint here. So I've got black, Artist Loft, Acrylic, and Floetrol. So I'm going to spread that out. I did one earlier and it looked good, but then as it sat, the paint started spreading around. I think my base was too thin. So I've thickened this up a little more. So this is 2 parts paint to 1 part Floetrol. Artist Loft Acrylic. I'm sure you could use any black paint, but a tube paint would be even thicker, so you might need more Floetrol. I'll show you the consistency if I can. It makes a mound. I can't show you in here, but it makes a mound in the paint. And it doesn't disappear quickly. All right, so I got that down. So then you take your colors, and this is Dairyland Deco Art. No, it's actually it's a Deco Art Premium, I believe, in the tube, and then I've added a bit of white to it. I think what I'll do is I'll do purple, and then I'll put yellow on top of it. Actually, I'll use Lavender Frost. I don't have a lot of that one left. I have more of this. This is Deco Art Lavender Frost. See that consistency? This is probably a tinge thinner than the black. The black is a bit thicker than this. Let's see what my yellow is. I think it should be okay. This is my my pouring medium is my bloom paints. I'm just gonna all right. I'm just gonna do it in a kind of a flowery pattern, just randomly. be lots of that. I'll put a bit of this darker color in. This is Nightfall. Just put some in the middle. It's a pigment. I'll put a bit of yellow. All right. Oops. Okay, I'm going to put a bit of gold in the middle. Just a little bit. All right, let's try this. So then you get your tile. Spread out some black paint on it. But you don't want it too thick. Less paint than what's on the plastic. It's just a plastic, actually it's a shower cap that I use. Just the cheap, thin shower caps from the dollar store. It's almost like saran. So I'm just spreading this on. All right, let's try this. Hope I don't lose my yellow. Try and do two if it turns out. I'm going to try and pick it up. Whoops. Oh, I'm going to drop it. Oh, shoot. I didn't have a good grip on it. Oh. Well, the design's pretty nice. Look at that. the black kind of just takes over those colors. Do you think I should do another one? I'll try one more. I'll just add a little more color. Bit more yellow, and then I'll dip it again. I'll dip another one. Okay. A little paint on here. Maybe I should put less paint. Okay, I'll try this again. I probably should have put a bit more here. Oh, I know what I didn't do. I didn't put the darker color down. Okay. I better have a better grip on it this time. Whoa, that's different. I think I'm going to leave these and see how they sit. I don't think they'll spread out like my last one did. can see the cells are starting to pop through. There you go. There's 2 done. Thanks for coming by for this one. Have a good day, everybody, and give it a try. Come back to Carol's Art Room. I'll put the dried result at the end. And give me a thumbs up if you like this one. Comment below, hit the bell for notifications, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. Here's my dried tile, my dip. Turned out not bad. My dark purple rose up to the top. Yeah, pretty. Kind of like, I don't know, like chrysanthemum maybe. Different colors. Anyways, there we go. It's dried. It dried great. Thanks for coming by. And, yep, have a good day.